Unpacking the Meaning, Podpack in Everyday English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase that you might come across in modern English. Podpack. This term has grown in popularity and usage, especially in certain contexts. We're going to explore what it means, how you can use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started. The phrase, podpack, is actually a compound noun, combining pod and pack. It's important to understand each word separately before we look at them together. Pod. This word can refer to a small, enclosed, and often portable unit or device. In technology, it's used for things like earbuds or coffee machines. In biology, it refers to a type of seed vessel. Pack. Traditionally, this word refers to a bundle or collection of items that are used together or share a common purpose. When combined, podpack usually refers to a set or collection of pods that are packaged together. It could be a pack of coffee pods, earbuds, or even seed pods in gardening. Let's look at some examples to see how podpack is used in different contexts. 1. In coffee machines. I just bought a podpack for my coffee machine. It has 10 different flavors. 2. In technology. My new earbuds came in a podpack with different sizes to ensure a good fit. 3. In gardening. We need a podpack of marigold seeds for our spring garden. These examples show how versatile the term podpack can be, depending on the context. When using podpack in conversation or writing, context is key. Always consider the context you're in. A podpack in a tech store differs vastly from one in a gardening center. Descriptive. Feel free to add descriptive words for clarity, like coffee podpack or earbud podpack. Plural forms. When talking about more than one, you say podpacks. Understanding phrases like podpack can really help in navigating everyday English, especially in a world where new terms pop up regularly. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using and understanding this term. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself mastering these nuances in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning!